Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 10.2 of Chapter 10, Vector Algebra, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 2. Exercise 10.2 works with components: magnitudes, unit vectors, direction cosines, the section formula, and a right triangle by Pythagoras, closing with two multiple choice. Here is the list, grouped. Question 1 of components. 3 vectors, 3 magnitudes by the root of the squared components. The third is built to have magnitude exactly 1. Root of the sums of squares. Root 3, root 62, and 1. Question 2. Any two vectors of one length in different directions. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. For example, I hat plus 2j hat and 2I hat plus j hat. Both have magnitude root 5 but differ. Question 3. Scale a vector by a positive constant. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. For example, I hat plus j hat and 2I hat plus 2j hat. One is twice the other, so directions match. Question 4. Equal vectors match component by component. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. Match the components. Question 5. Terminal minus initial gives the components. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. Subtract -7 and 6. The vector components are those multiples of I hat and j hat. The scalar components are -7 and 6. The vector components are -7 I hat and 6 j hat. Question 6. Component-wise addition of 3 vectors. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. Add each coordinate. The I hats cancel, the j hats give -4, the k hats -1. Question 7. Divide by the magnitude. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The magnitude is root 6. Divide each component. Question 8. First the vector, then normalize. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. PQ is 3, 3, 3 with magnitude 3 root 3. The unit vector has equal components 1 over root 3. Question 9. Add first, then normalize. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The sum is I hat plus k hat, magnitude root 2. Question 10. Unit vector times the wanted length. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The magnitude is root 30. Scale the unit vector by 8. Question 11. Look for a scalar multiple. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The second vector is exactly -2 times the first. Collinear. Question 12. Components over the magnitude. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The magnitude is root 14. The cosines follow. Question 13. The vector a b first, then its cosines. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. A b is -2, -4, 4 with magnitude 6. Cosines -1/3, -2/3, 2/3. Question 14. Equal components force equal angles. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. Each direction cosine is 1 over root 3, so each axis angle is the same inverse cosine. Question 15. The section formula for vectors both ways. Internal uses the weighted sum, external the weighted difference. Internal, 2q plus 1p over 3. External, 2q minus p over 1. Question 16. The midpoint averages the coordinates. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. Average each coordinate, 3, 2, 1. Question 17. Compute the three side vectors and test Pythagoras on their squared lengths. Component-wise, arithmetic settles it. The squared sides are 35, 41, and 6, and 35 plus 6 is 41. Right angle confirmed. Question 18, multiple choice. The triangle law in 4 costumes. A B plus BC is a C, and C is its negative. A B plus BC equals a C, so subtracting C actually adds a C. Option C claims 2 a C is 0, which is false. Option C. Question 19, the last one, multiple choice. What does collinear not imply? Components of collinear vectors are always proportional. Direction need not match. Collinear vectors have proportional components, so C is incorrect. And they may point opposite ways, so D is also incorrect. That completes all 19 questions of exercise 10.2. In the next video, we will take up exercise 10.3 on the scalar product. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.